I'm going to continue on and show you how we will set up our board. And first what I do is I take a piece of paper to make my decision. I already know what I'm really going to do, but you may not. I'm going to do something so simple that it may even be too simple for you. I'm going to do something that looks like this. Now normally I would say for your board, you can draw right on it, or you can do like this if you're using the pegboard system, and you can actually pin this up on your board, and then you can put your pins where they're supposed to go, straight through, and then rip it away if you'd like. I'm going to start with this L shape. Now I'm trying to hit the bottom of my canvas here, and at each marking that I choose, which I think I will go for the inch markings. Oops, I won't be doing it from that side. The inch markings is where I'm going to be placing a pin. And I'm going to be marking every inch marking all the way through. I'm going to go ahead and do this, and in our next segment I will show you how we're going to have the pins go in and start to string.